Problem 42. Calculate this following limit or show that it does not exist. Let's take a look. So it's the limit as x goes to 4 from the left of absolute value of x squared minus 16 over 4 minus x. Okay, so we plug in 4. 4 squared minus 16 is 16. That's 0. Absolute value is 0, 0 over 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 over 0 indeterminate form. Let's manipulate it. We should realize x squared minus 16 factors as x minus 4 times x plus 4 over 4 minus x here. And the next thing to do, this is just going to be a very small cosmetic change, but it's important here. The absolute value of this times this is the absolute value of the first thing times the absolute value of the second thing. Okay? Now let's think about these two absolute values. X is getting close to 4, a little bit smaller than 4. If x is getting close to 4 but a little bit smaller than 4, x plus 4 is getting close to 8. That's going to be positive here. So we can drop the absolute value bars around the second term in the numerator and just make this x plus 4. Now as for the x minus 4 term, so the thing to remember here is that we know absolute value x is either equal to x or negative x. It's equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0. It's equal to negative x if x is less than 0. So I ask you about absolute value x minus 4. This is either equal to x minus 4 or the negative x minus 4. It's equal to the negative x minus 4 if x minus 4 is less than 0. But if x is a little bit less than 4, let me just fill in this part in here. If x is a little bit less than 4, and that's the meaning of x is going to 0, sorry, x is going to 4 from the left, then we're going to be in this case here. This is the case that we want. And so we can replace x absolute value x minus 4 with the negative of x minus 4. And then we realize if we distribute through that minus sign, distributing through that minus sign is just going to give us 4 minus x, and oh look, that's going to cancel with the downstairs factor. So cancel, cancel, and limit as x goes to 4 from the left. This is just of x plus 4. And we can just evaluate this by substitution. 4 plus 4 is 8. So what's the trick to this one? Factoring, breaking up into those absolute values, realizing there's nothing special going on with that one, but this one, what's the meaning of x goes to 4 from the left?